A conference was held this morning at the Capitol in Helena to address the overall progress being made in the fight against opioid abuse in the state of Montana. A new report released by Governor Steve Bullock shows a decrease in prescription rates as well as a decrease in the average daily dose of opioids since 2012.
It was the invisible epidemic that no one was confronting.
Governor Steve Bullock, along with several other state health officials, presented key findings from a recent report on the fight against the opioid epidemic in the state of Montana. According to the report, from 2012 to 2017, there was an overall 4% decrease in opioid prescriptions, and the average daily dose of opioids decreased by 23%, something Dr. Greg Holzman, state medical officer with DPHHS, says is encouraging but still not enough.
But even though the numbers are lower in the state of Montana, they are still preventable deaths, and each preventable death is one death too many.
Dr. Holzman says we as a state need to have two goals: minimize or prevent unnecessary opioid prescriptions, and ensure opioids are not being used by someone without a prescription. If you or someone you know has a legal opioid prescription, you need to be aware of the resources available to you in order to prevent accidental overdoses. Dr. William Galley, physician from Central Montana Medical Center, says the state of Montana has a standing order for a medication called Naloxone.
Naloxone has become much more important as one of the life-saving parts of the response to that situation because it so rapidly reverses the effects of an opioid overdose.
Because of the standing order for Naloxone, which was signed into law by Governor Bullock back in 2017, anyone can get the opioid reversal medication from their pharmacy without a prescription.
So we want Naloxone carried by the people that are on these high doses, carried by the addicts, carried by their families and friends, as well as anybody who would respond first to an emergency like that.
State health officials would also like to remind everyone how important it is to properly dispose of any unused opioid medication. There are now over 165 medication drop boxes in the state of Montana. For the complete list of medication drop box locations, you can just visit this story on our website, ktvh.com.